Imagine turning your Pinterest profile into a passive income powerhouse. But here's the catch: most people are doing it all wrong. Stay tuned to uncover the secret strategies that could skyrocket your affiliate earnings, starting today. Envision you've meticulously crafted a stunning Pinterest board filled with eye-catching pins that perfectly align with your niche. Now, think about the potential of those pins not just as pretty images, but as gateways to generating income through affiliate marketing. Sounds intriguing, right? But here lies the factor: many overlook the power of keyword research and turning your Pinterest affiliate marketing from a mere hobby into a significant income stream. Keywords are the compass that guides your potential audience to your content amidst the vast digital sea. On Pinterest, where visual content reigns supreme, integrating the right keywords can elevate your pin's visibility, ensuring they reach those actively searching for what you have to offer. It's all about connecting with users who are ready to explore and, more importantly, ready to buy. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find these magical keywords? The first step is understanding your audience's language. What terms do they use when looking for products or content in your niche? Tools like Pinterest's search bar can offer insights into popular queries. Additionally, leveraging SEO tools can give you an edge by uncovering high search, low competition keywords that can make your pins stand out. Here's where it gets even more exciting: by embedding these keywords naturally in your pin titles, descriptions, and even your profile, you're not just reaching a wider audience, but also boosting your pin's potential to rank higher on Pinterest search results. This isn't just about being seen. It's about being seen by the right people at the right time. But remember, the goal is to engage and convert, not just attract. Creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, combined with strategic keyword usage, is what will ultimately turn views into clicks and clicks into conversions. Picture finding a treasure map where X marks the spot. But in the world of online content, that treasure is visibility, and the map is known as keyword research. To begin your quest, the first tip is to think like your audience. What words would you type into Google when searching for answers or products in your niche? This initial step is crucial because it aligns your content with the real questions and needs of your audience. Let's dive into keyword research tools, your digital shovels in the gold mines of SEO. Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush reveal search frequency and competition levels. They offer insights into your competition strategies and uncover opportunities they may have overlooked. But here's a pro tip: don't just focus on the big, popular keywords. Sure, they look attractive with their high search volumes, but the real gems are often the long-tail keywords. These are longer and more specific phrases that people type into search engines. They might have less traffic, but they have higher conversion rates because they capture users with more specific intents. Integrating keywords into your content is akin to seasoning a dish. Avoid overpowering with too many, which can make it bitter to your audience, or using too few, resulting in blandness. Sprinkle them naturally throughout titles, subtitles, and body to make your content appealing to search engines while remaining enjoyable and valuable to readers. Finally, remember that keyword research is not a one-time feast. It's a part of your diet. Search trends change, new competitors enter the field, and algorithms evolve. Regularly updating your keywords keeps your content fresh and relevant, ensuring that your audience keeps coming back for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine this: a bustling city where every street, shop, and product is meticulously categorized and labeled, making it effortless for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, transpose that scenario onto the digital world of affiliate marketing. This is where the magic of organized boards comes into play, acting as your city map in the crowded space of the internet. Consider your affiliate marketing boards as the blueprint for your strategy. Like in chess, the placement of each piece is crucial for success. Organizing your boards categorizes your marketing efforts, keeping you focused and enabling you to assess effectiveness. It's akin to a personalized shopping list for your audience, guiding them seamlessly to checkout without losing their way. Now, envision trying to sift through a heap of content online without any signposts or directions. Pretty overwhelming, right? That's exactly how your audience feels when boards are cluttered or disorganized. By curating boards with clear categories, you make it a breeze for them to find the products or information they're interested in, significantly boosting the chances they'll click through and ultimately make a purchase. Here's the kicker: organized boards don't just help your audience. They are a goldmine of analytics. Tracking which boards perform best gives you insight into your audience's preferences, allowing you to tailor your approach and increase conversions. It's akin to a treasure hunt where the map continuously updates itself to show you where the gold lies. How do you start organizing your boards to harness these benefits? What's one area in your affiliate marketing efforts that feels like navigating through a maze? Organizing your boards is the secret sauce for boosting your affiliate marketing. Consider them as your virtual shop storefront. Just like you wouldn't want products scattered randomly, we're turning chaos into a well-oiled machine today, attracting and retaining customers effectively. First up, clarity is your best friend. Imagine walking into a store where everything is clearly labeled and easy to find. Doesn't that make for a pleasant shopping experience? Apply the same principle to your boards. Use straightforward, descriptive names for your categories. This isn't the place for quirky, ambiguous titles that leave your audience scratching their heads. Next, think visual. Humans are visual creatures, and an appealing board is like a magnet. Consistent use of high-quality, relevant images can dramatically increase engagement. It's like dressing up your window display. Make it irresistible, and they'll want to step inside. But don't just stop at looks. The real magic happens when you align your content with what your audience is seeking. This means understanding their pains, desires, and hobbies. By curating content that resonates with them directly, you transform your boards into treasure chests they can't help but explore. Remember, organizing boards is an ongoing process. Trends change, and so do the interests of your audience. Regularly updating your boards keeps them fresh and relevant. It's like gardening. Trim the overgrown, water the thriving, and plant new seeds to keep your garden vibrant. Optimizing your profile for affiliate marketing is like putting on your best suit for a job interview. It's your first impression, the moment you tell your audience, "Hey, I've got something valuable for you." Your profile name, believe it or not, is your first handshake. It's got to be memorable, clear, and directly related to what you're offering. Think of the most successful brands you know. Their names alone paint a picture of what they stand for. Now, marching on to your profile description, this is where you tell your story. Why should someone listen to you? Here's where you weave your expertise, passion, and the unique value you offer into a compelling narrative. But remember, while stories can captivate, clarity remains king. Make it easily digestible, with straightforward language that even a beginner can grasp. Highlight how following your affiliate links will solve their problems or enhance their lives. Your profile image isn't just a placeholder, it's a powerful communicator. It should resonate with your audience and reflect the essence of your brand. Are you fun and quirky or serious and informative? Your image will set the stage for the expectations of your audience. Bringing all these elements together harmoniously sets you apart in the crowded world of affiliate marketing. But remember, engaging with your audience doesn't end with just a great profile setup. How do you keep the interaction going? How do you make sure they click that affiliate link? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments below. Crafting a cohesive brand image on Pinterest isn't just about pinning your favorite images. It's a strategic art that propels your brand into the spotlight. Imagine Pinterest as a vast digital mood board where each pin is a brush stroke contributing to the masterpiece that is your brand's image. The magic begins with consistency in design. Choose colors that speak your brand's language and stick with them across all pins. This repetition isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it imprints your brand's essence into the viewer's mind. But what about the content of your pins? Here's where the heart of your brand beats. It's not merely about showcasing your products or services. It's about weaving a story that resonates with your audience. What does your brand stand for? Sustainability, innovation, luxury, craft pins that reflect these values, bringing your brand's personality to life. Yet, a beautiful gallery of pins is like a tree falling in the forest with no one around if it doesn't drive engagement. Optimization is your ally here. Use keywords that your audience is searching for in your pin titles and descriptions. This increases visibility and ensures that your pins show up in the right search results, connecting you with your targeted audience. Having established design consistency, storytelling, and optimization for visibility, consider this. How can you use this unified brand image to not only draw in viewers, but also transform them into brand advocates? When your pins consistently reflect your brand's values, you're not just shaping an image, you're fostering a community around common beliefs. How can your pins motivate action beyond the digital realm? What's the most compelling idea you're eager to apply from today's insights? Share your thoughts and witness your engagement skyrocket.